I work in a large manufacturing plant. Every day, when the bay doors open, little birds find their way inside. Some of these birds have never seen the outside world, yet instinctively, they flock toward the skylight, searching for freedom, even though they can't quite reach it. Watching them, I'm reminded of how humans move through life, always searching for something more, feeling pulled towards something beyond the immediate world we see in front of us. This, at its heart, is the work of metaphysics. It asks the deepest questions. What is the nature of reality? How do we know what's truly real? Across history, philosophers have given us powerful tools to think about these questions. From Aristotle to Descartes to Kant to Locke and Parfit, and even modern voices like Alan Watts. Aristotle challenged the idea of reality as fixed or discrete. He emphasized the notion of a continuum where change is constant and gradual. He used the example of flowing water. It is never exactly the same from one moment to the next, yet it remains water. Reality, Aristotle argued, is like this flowing water, always in motion, always changing, yet maintaining its identity. Between two states like calm water and rushing water, there is no boundary. Transitions are seamless. This idea helps us to see that the world is a dynamic process where persistence and change coexist. Just like the birds adjusting their flight toward the skylight, reality itself is continuous, and understanding this flow helps us to grasp the true nature of existence. Centuries later, René Descartes took a different approach. He doubted everything, his senses, the external world, even mathematics. He worried that he could be deceived by an evil genius, tricked into believing in a reality that wasn't there. But then he found one certainty. Even in doubting, he was thinking. And if he was thinking, then he must exist. This led to his famous statement, "Cogito ergo sum," I think, therefore I am. For Descartes, this became the foundation for all knowledge, the certainty of his own existence as a thinking being. A man Immanuel Kant challenged us in yet another way. He argued that we never experience reality directly. Instead, our minds actively shape what we perceive, organizing sensations into space, time, and categories like cause and effect. What we see is the world of phenomena, appearances shaped by our minds. But the world as it truly is, the nominal reality, remains forever beyond our reach. It's as though we're always looking through a lens, able to experience beauty and order, but never touching reality itself. So what makes me the same person over time? John Locke argued that personal identity is grounded in memory, the continuity of consciousness. If you can remember an experience, then you are the same person who had it. It's like a river that splits into two streams. Identity may not be absolute, but what matters is the flow that continues forward. Finally, Alan Watts offers a perspective drawn from Eastern philosophy. He argues that our greatest illusion is the belief that we are separate from nature. Just as a wave is not separate from the ocean, we are not separate from the universe. We are the cosmos, becoming aware of itself. The Big Bang, looking at itself through human eyes. When I watch the birds in the plant, some born under a skylight, never seeing the outdoors, yet longing for the open sky, I think about how humans too often live in artificial environments, forgetting that we are nature, not apart from it. From Aristotle's flowing water continuum, to Descartes' certainty of thought, to Kant's limits of perception, to Locke and Parfit's questions of identity, to Watts' vision of unity, metaphysics helps us rethink what is real. The birds at the skylight remind me of us. We search endlessly for freedom, meaning, and truth, but perhaps reality isn't out there somewhere else. Perhaps, like the sky above the factory roof, it's been there all along. Metaphysics challenges us to look beyond appearances, to doubt what seems obvious, to reflect on our place in the cosmos, and to realize that we are already part of something greater. We're inseparable from nature. We're inseparable from reality itself.